Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing question and answers for Microsoft Azure Cosmos DB Developer Specialty DP-420. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. The question is, you have a container named container1 in an Azure Cosmos DB for NoSQL account named account1 that is set to the session default consistency level. The average size of an item in container1 is 20 KB. You have an application named app1 that uses the Azure Cosmos DB SDK and performs the point read on the same set of items in container1 every minute. You need to minimize the consumption of the request units RU associated to the reads by app1. What should you do? The options are option A. In account 1, change the default consistency level to bounded staleness. Option B. In app 1, change the consistency level of read request to consistent prefix. Option C. In account 1, provision a dedicated gateway and integrated cache. Option D. In app 1, modify the connection policy settings. The correct answer is option B. Our next question is, you need to create a database in an Azure Cosmos DB for NoSQL account. The database will contain 3 containers named call1, call2 and call3. The call1 container has an unpredictable read and write volumes. The call2 and call3 containers will have predictable read and write volumes. The expected minimum throughput for call1 and call2 is 50,000 requests per unit second RU each. How should you provision the collection while minimizing costs? The options are option A. Create a provision throughput account. Set the throughput for call1 to manual. Select the throughput for call2 and call3 to auto scale. Option B. Create a provision throughput account. Set the throughput for call1 to auto scale. Set the throughput for call2 and call3 to manual. Option C. Create a serverless account. The correct answer is option B. Our next question is, you plan to store order data in Azure Cosmos DB for NoSQL account. The data contains information about orders and their associated items. You need to develop a model that supports order read operations. The solutions must minimize the number of requests. The options are option A. Create a single database that contains one container. Store order and order items in separate documents in the container. Option B. Create a single database that contains one container. Create a separate document for each order and embed the order items to the other documents. Option C. Create a database for orders and database for order items. Option D. Create a single database that contains a container for order and a container for order items. The correct answer is option B. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you.